Hello everyone. So this is a part one of the Teams administration series. And in this video, we will talk on the Teams Admin Center dashboard. In the upcoming parts, we will cover each of the section in Teams Admin Center in detail. So for now, let's continue with Teams Admin Center dashboard. So to log in to Admin Center, you can navigate to admin.microsoft.com and click on Show All. Here you can select the Teams Admin Center, and the other way is you can directly hit the URL, which is admin.teams.microsoft.com. Okay. So once you're logged in, the landing page is the dashboard. Okay. And like I mentioned earlier, all this section like Teams, users, etc. I will cover this in the separate parts, right? So let's continue with the dashboard. So this dashboard is again customizable, right? You can add or remove the tiles, right? You can drag and drop these tiles over the other place, and you can add the other tiles if you need, or you can also remove the tiles. The first tile that you see is about the announcement, right? Or maybe some important updates as admin that you should be aware of. So those information will be available in the first tile. So right now this dashboard is in the default view, right? The next tile is deployment task status. This is a part of the Teams advisor, right? Basically, it runs some assessments for your organization or for your tenant, and it identified if your tenant is ready for the Teams rollout. The second tab is, or the second tile is about the review user app request. This is basically if any user has requested, approval or, allowing the application from the Teams store, those requests will be available here as well in this tile as well. So you can review this request, and if it is required, you can approve this application. Then we also see some trainings module, right? These are admin related or the end user related trainings. And the next style is about the self-help diagnostics. This diagnostics will help you troubleshoot, any of the issues that are listed here. For example, for voice, we have this many, diagnostics. Let's take an example, authentication. So in authentication, you have sign in. So if any of the user experiencing issues related to Teams sign in, as admin, you can also run this diagnostic. So it will perform some checks related to that user and identify the possible cause so that you can take necessary actions. Okay. Then we also have some release notes that you can reference these documents. The user search, uh, basically you can search any of the user from your organization, and you can manage the user settings or policies. Apart from that, you have the Teams user activity reports. For example, for channel messages, chat messages, post, etc. And then some learn more articles as well. The activity logs are basically, kind of admin activities from your organization. For example, uh, there is an activity that happened 16 days ago for group policy assignment. So this is kind of a audit logs or audit activity as well. Then apart from the overview, we have collaboration activity. This is specifically for the team and channel activities, right? So this is all about the Teams dashboard. Thank you for watching this demo.